Our director Yuri is now going to talk us through the construction process.
All our fixed price contracts include earthworks. Now, not all the blocks are the same. Some blocks have got a little bit higher site cuts or bigger site cuts and cut and fill jobs than other blocks. Example, this one here has got a cut and fill of about 1 metre. That's why we've allowed for all the retaining walls to go around the whole block. Now, some blocks are really flat. Well, you're not going to need your retaining walls, and the earthworks aren't going to be exactly the same price as these ones. Now, this stage here is what we call under slab. Now that means that all your plumbing's been running, all your underground electricals have been running, and your communication undergrounds have been done, and the site works has been finished. This is slab stage. As you can see, the concrete has been completed, and this is the second progress claim during the construction process. Frame stage means that your frame is fully completed, like all your wall framing is up, all your trusses are up, all your windows are in, all your doors are in. When you're talking to the people in our office about frame stage, this is what you'd be expecting to see in your house. Now, once the isolation has gone around the house, then it's time for the bricklayers to come in and the plasterers to come in to put the external shell around the house and put the internal walls up. This is what we call a drop edge beam. Now, a drop edge beam is used on houses that we build to boundary, and the platform levels between the two joining allotments in two different heights. Now, we use this system, which is a core fill concrete block wall with a slab over the top of it, because it is a lot more structurally sound. This is standard on every one of our houses. Now, we call it the triple termite treatment. We make the perimeter edge beam around the house 100mm wider than the outside of your brickwork. So it leaves like a little mowing strip around the house. Now, that's your first barrier for termites, which is a visual barrier. Now, the physical barrier comes in the form of home guard. Now, the home guard actually gets tucked in underneath your bottom plate of your frames, and it folds down into the course of the brickwork. So that's your physical barrier for the termites. On top of that, we've got fully treated frames. Now, our bottom plates, our top plates, our studs, and our roof trusses are fully treated. So that's a triple treatment of termites. This house has reached enclosed stage. Brickwork has been completed, the fascia gutter's on, the roof is on, the garage door is on. Now, inside, all the plasterboard has been finished, so that means your cornices are done, all your joints are done, and your plasterboard sheets are hanging on the walls and the ceiling. This is completion stage. The house has been completed.